This is part 2 of Pokemon unboxing. Reverse Crystal. Obviously, my phone shut down for no reason. So, now, we're gonna make a part 2. So, we have Oddish. We got 3 minutes and 50 seconds to do this. Malamar. Porygon. Lurk. I know you guys didn't have time to see it. Lurk. There we go. My stack is falling down. Volcariana? Are we seeing? Metagross. Level Ball. Girlia evolves from Rocks and evolves into a Gallade, I think. And a Faded Town. So, not much rare today. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to the Aslan channel.